The second powerful way to build your audience is to create your own show. When you have your own show, you can speak your own ideas or you can interview other people. So creating your own show not only allow you to show up consistently, but also will allow you to interview other experts. Each of these experts have their own network. Each of these experts already recognized, and therefore you will add on to your own personal brand recognition. You will also add to your audience, and you will be able to discuss your powerful idea with very interesting people, which is just a fantastic way to enjoy your time and create content for fun.